Boost your vocabulary. 50 daily use English words with examples. Let's begin. Squeeze. Squeeze. I squeeze the sponge to remove the water. Wring. Wring. I wring the cloth to dry it faster. Crush. Crush. They crush the can before recycling it. Break. Break. I break the stick to make 2 pieces. Crack. Crack. He cracks the egg into the bowl. Tear. Tear. She tears the paper along the dotted line. Scratch. Scratch. She scratches the paper with her nails. Smash. Smash. He smashes the piñata with a big stick. Crumple. Crumple. She crumples the paper before throwing it away. Press. Press. He presses the button to start the machine. Flatten. Flatten. I flatten the box to save space in the bin. Bend. Bend. He bends the wire to form a small loop. Twist. Twist. I twist the cap off the bottle carefully. Rip. Rip. They rip the page from the old notebook. Shatter. Shatter. He shatters the glass by dropping it on the floor. Grind. Grind. I grind the coffee beans every morning at home. Pound. Pound. He pounds the meat to make it softer for cooking. Mash. Mash. I mash the potatoes for dinner every evening. Knead. Knead. She kneads the dough until it feels soft and smooth. Fold. Fold. I fold the letter and put it in an envelope. Roll. Roll. He rolls the dough into a thin, long shape. Squash. Squash. She squashes the bug under her shoe by accident. Compress. Compress. I compress the file to make it smaller for sending. Compact. Compact. He compacts the soil in the garden to plant seeds. Push. Push. I push the door open with my shoulder. Pull. Pull. He pulls the rope to ring the old bell. Lift. Lift. I lift the heavy box onto the top shelf. Drop. Drop. She drops the book and watches it hit the floor. Dent. Dent. He dents the car door with a shopping cart. Collapse. Collapse. The old chair may collapse if you sit on it. Crunch. Crunch. I crunch the fresh apple with every single bite. Crease. Crease. He creases the shirt before ironing it for work. Scrunch. Scrunch. I scrunch the paper into a tight little ball. Carry. Carry. She carries the bag to her room very carefully. Hold. Hold. I hold my friend's hand while we cross the street. Shred. Shred. I shred the old documents before throwing them away. Slice. Slice. He slices the bread into thin pieces for toast. Slash. Slash. She slashes the rope with a sharp knife quickly. Chop. Chop. I chop the onion into small pieces for cooking. Carve. Carve. He carves the pumpkin for Halloween every single year. Catch. Catch. I catch the ball when it comes my way. Reach. Reach. She reaches the top shelf to get the cereal box. Score. Score. I scored the winning point at the last minute. Notch. Notch. He notches the wood before fitting it into the frame. Nick. Nick. I nick my finger while cutting vegetables with the knife. Rub. Rub. He rubs the stain with soap and water gently. Scuff. Scuff. I scuff my shoes when I walk on the rough floor. Touch. Touch. She touches the screen to open the new application. Fracture. Fracture. I fracture my toy by dropping it on the ground. Thanks for watching. If you've learned something new today, please like the video, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in our upcoming videos.